Okay, so now we have everything done on our form. The last thing we need to do on our form is to add in an image. So on Design It, you want to be in the background, and you can change this background color. Whoops, I clicked that too fast. Okay. Okay, so once you have everything in here done and you have all this set, you want to put an image up here. So remember, we did those images when we were in Canva. So you can click in here to change the header image. Then we can click Upload. Okay, so we want to go and find, well, it's going to take a second to populate. And then we'll go find it. So just find your image and upload it. And then just do Save and Insert Image. Okay, and here it is. So this is what you want. You want the one that's really bright and colorful, because what you want is people to click on this image to go join your list. Okay, so once you have everything set, then we're going to go on to the next section, which is where we're actually going to be doing the opt-in automated emails. So I will be back in just a few minutes and we will get started on that part.